Dabang, day one, the banks of Nabala.
Dabang is all about Chulbul Pandey.
He's with us like a technician only. In this film also, story he has done. He was so involved in this.
When he comes, walks on the set, he's in a t-shirt and denim. But as soon as he wears the shirt and the mustache and sunglasses, he's Chulbul Pandey.
He always makes things really larger than life and very, very impactful and powerful. Pleasure to work with you again because you're so quick.
ये पुलिसमैन पहले कैसा रहा?
Salman sir has been the most instrumental for me to be here. He has been so accommodating, he's been so sweet, kind. He's made me so comfortable on set.
I'm supposed to kick him in the chest, and that's not happening.
Still he's not eating. What will do is
वो सारा प्यार जो करते हैं हम उनसे और my experience with him has just begun and it is going to go definitely a long way.
At the same time वो थोड़ा सा चुलबुला भी है, वो आम आदमी है.
और साथ लाए हम हमारी सुपर सेक्सी मिसेस को रज्जो.
It feels like homecoming because it's my first film. It's how I started out.
रोमांस हुआ तो शादी के बाद. आइडियल वाइफ है, आइडियल मिसेस है चुलबुल पांडे के लिए.
Chemistry is there. Made for each other, they tell, na? It's like that. Whenever she acts, we don't have to explain so much. She knows the character so well.
Mother having to kick me out of bed. This is the first time I have sat and done makeup and hair for 2.5 hours.
रहती हैं तो इसलिए नाम है खुशी.
She looks so fresh and so innocent and that works for the film.
After Sonakshi Sinha, it's Sai Manjrekar, and I think she is a classic beauty, and she's going to win everybody's hearts with her innocent smile and her beauty.
I was very nervous and he kind of really helped with that because at every point he's told me exactly what I'm supposed to do.
मुझे मामा, मावशी और हमारी एक सहेली राजेश्वरी.
You don't look at it.
पांडे के सामने कौन विलन है? तो दो जरूरतें होती हैं. एक तो ये है कि वो एक्टर जो है उसका अपना एक करिश्मा, और सुदीप का मैं कहूँगा अपना एक करिश्मा है. सुदीप का
He likes to win. He likes to have what he likes to have. He can't take a no. The way they have stylized it is what makes the crux of the personality.
समझता है, पाव वाला समझता है, और पावर का जो नशा है वो जब आ जाता है तो आदमी बहुत कुछ करता है. उसे अच्छे बुरे का फर्क नहीं पता लगता है.
नॉर्मली एक विलन और या एंटागोनिस्ट को नहीं होता है. गाना है, उनका भी एक पॉजिटिव साइड है. पहले टिल ही बिकम्स नेगेटिव, ही इज अ पॉजिटिव.
कुल मिला कि नॉलेज रखने वाला भी विलन है, और दूसरा ये कि अपने कैरेक्टर को एंजॉय करने वाला कैरेक्टर है.
For such wonderful human beings, it's a great feeling to be here. And to top it, being one of the prime role in the Dabang 3 is a big high.
दोनों अच्छे से बैठ गए.
Perfect. Which part?
Dabang 3, we have a lot of plenty of actions here.
Action!
You want to have one bottle?
Correct, this is correct.
Sequel is a Chulbul, so we are just mixing them before Chulbul how he reacts. So we have to design such a way the actions. They arrange so many different vehicles to bring the people and cameras and everything. So always we keep the ambulance, and this time also, as usual, we're keeping the ambulance with the doctors.
एक्शन पे ना मास्टर जी.
हाँ, एक्शन पे मारने का.
ओके.
शायद कुछ बन या चिकन हो जो माइक्रो ओवन में रख के तो हीट करके खाते हैं ना, थोड़ा बहुत वैसा ही फीलिंग बनाना।
फर्स्ट पार्ट के अंदर मुन्नी बदनाम वाज अ वेरी बिग हिट।
इस बार हमने एक अलग गाना किया है, उस गाने का नाम है मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ डार्लिंग तेरे लिए। तो ये है हमारा मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ का सेट। बहुत सारे गानों
It's a very colorful song and it had to be fun, and fun it meant colors, and colors we thought of going with neon.
Looking good.
Yeah. Every day I look good. What do you mean?
That's what.
बात आंखों से ही होती है।
दिल की बातें कही हैं उसने पल के झुका के।
यहाँ आधा रोल करो, आराम से टर्न करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है।